Madu Ganga, and they say they allow us to do a lot of things, a lot of adventure in this area. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. So we have more video. Yes. So we are going in, you can see here. So we are going in. This is the ride, guys. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is the best experience you can get from Madu Ganga.
Look this side.
Hey, get up, baby. So, we are quite lucky today, no rain, no sun, very calm. Place. Wow, so beautiful, so beautiful. Very beautiful. around. How beautiful! Wow. One of my dream came it true. Wow, let's go. We are going in here. You can see. So this is one of the place we have to go in. Oh, that's such a beautiful place. Look at this. Wow, look at this place. Look at this place. So we had to push like this. To drive like this. I think this is very quiet place. You can see, guys. Wow. This is the place. You can see inside. Wow. Don't know what is inside. But slowly we are moving out from here. Slowly in. I think I'll go up and move a little bit. Yeah. But I'm moving from here. Oh, I'm here. So all around me, all the islands are. This is our first experience in Madu River. So beautiful. our ride here. Let's finish. Yes. Yes. Wow. Thank you. What a wonderful place to. So guys, we'll give you more information about this ride today. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so guys, so we just finished our boat ride. After finish, they treat us with this business card of them. So these people are very lovely and very supportive, and we enjoyed very well. And you can see my video how we enjoyed, how they are taking safely us to our ride. Come to this place, boat AU Balapitiya. So don't miss it. This is a very good experience in Sri Lanka. Thank you guys. So there's more places to visit, but we didn't cover all. But when you come early or morning or something, you can cover with all the natures and islands and everything. There's so much activities inside the islands, so you can cover it with them. They will support you with all. So subscribe, like, comment and share. Keep watching. Much love.